The Sound Bytes are going to be on in a minute, and they have been performing about 13 years. I think we've been, actually 13 out of the 14 past years. This is actually their last performance ever. But they made it easy for you to take them home with you. They do have CDs and 8-track tapes available in the lobby. They will have them afterwards, and they'll be there for purchase. So we're going to have them actually come back out and do one more song. They'll be doing, this is their last performance, so make sure after this you guys give them a good send-off, and because they're just a fantastic group, we're really going to miss them. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sound Bytes.
Oh, pretty woman, walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to be, pretty woman. I don't believe in the way that you do. No one can look as good as oh, baby, oh, such a pretty woman. Please pardon me, pretty woman. I couldn't help but see, pretty woman, that you're lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Bow, bow, bow. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you. I'll treat you right. Come with me, my baby, be mine tonight. Pretty woman, don't walk on by. Pretty woman, don't make me cry. Pretty woman, don't walk away. That's the way it must be, okay. I guess I'll go on home and play. Maybe tomorrow night. But wait, what do I see? She walking back to me. Yeah. Yes, she's walking back to me. Come on, baby. Let's sing more. Pretty woman.
Steve Stevens, once again, ladies and
Thank you.
gentlemen. Thank you. Well, as has already been mentioned 173 times, it's our last show. Thank you very much for being here. Many of you have been here probably every single year.
And we've got
supporting
CDs
the
out in the
show.
lobby at the intermission time.
I think that's been mentioned 745 times actually already. So this song is the song we used to end all of our performances. We thought it'd be a suitable way for us to say goodbye as well here.
Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. We hate to leave you, but we really must say, oh, good night, sweetheart. Good night. Well, 7:00 in the evening, and baby, I just cannot get it right. Well, you know we love you, baby, and we don't mean maybe. Don't you know I love you so? Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. We hate to leave you, but we really must say, oh, good night, sweetheart. Good night. Well, come on. if we stayed here for so long. Well, you know we love you, baby, and we don't mean maybe, don't you know I love you so. Good night, sweetheart, well, it's time to go.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for having Sound Bytes sing for you over the last 14 years. We've had a good time doing it. We hope you've had a good time listening to it. And so on behalf of all the Sound Bytes, I want to say, remember, we've got CDs out in the lobby during intermission.
Good night, sweetheart, good night.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Man, we're really gonna miss them. One more time, Sound Bites.